Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nava Szwergold. I'm a physical therapist, and I want to talk to you today about a few simple tools that you can use to release tight muscles at home. I see a lot of ads online for very fancy massage machines and gadgets, and the truth is, in most situations, with a few simple tools and the right information, you can release your muscles without needing any type of fancy machine. So two things I want to show you today. One is this little pink bouncy ball. It's a little bit squishy, but doesn't collapse completely. A tennis ball will also do, or a lacrosse ball if you want something a little bit firmer. The other is this one. This is called a back knobber. There's a similar device called a ThriveAgain. The important thing is having this curve right here. So even a walking cane that has this curve will do the same job, and we'll talk about how to use this in a moment. You can also do releases with a foam roller, and if you're interested in learning more about that, there's an excellent video by Dr. Lauren Collins explaining some foam rolling techniques. So we're going to start with the ball. A couple of important things to keep in mind when you're doing releases. We're not forcing the tissues to stretch or soften by pushing on them hard. What we're doing is that we're giving a signal through the nervous system to let the brain know to release that area of the body. Now, how strong a signal you need varies from person to person. Some people may release with a very light touch, while others may need a much deeper pressure. So it's up to you to figure out what is the right amount of pressure for you. And it should feel intense. It shouldn't feel painful. It certainly shouldn't feel sharp or shooting. If you are experiencing any of that, that may be a sign that you need some further evaluation. So the ball is really nice for getting different areas of the back and the glutes. So you can do this against the wall, and you're going to place the ball between your body and the wall, and you're just going to lean on it. And you don't have to do much. You just keep pressure here, okay, and just keep breathing. And if you have good pressure and if you have good breathing, over about 30 to 60 seconds, you should feel that muscle start to release and feel that it's not as tender as where you first started. So you can do the lower back, and you can do all the way down to the glutes with this one. Coming back to this back knobber, again, you can also use a ThriveAgain or a regular walking cane. This one really helps to release some of these areas in the neck and shoulders that can get tight. So if you put one end of that loop on a tight spot, this shape allows you to just gently pull forward and down to get that right amount of pressure to allow for release. I hope that gives you some tools to help address your tight and sore muscles. If you're experiencing pain that's more than tightness or soreness, sharp shooting pain, radiating pain, please be in touch with a healthcare provider. We will be happy to assist you.